Dear students, today in this class we have to discuss about operation on real numbers. See, you have learned in earlier class that rational numbers satisfy the commutative, associative and distributive. Those are laws for addition and multiplication. Moreover, if we add, subtract and multiply or or divide except by 0 two rational numbers, we still get a rational number. That is, rational numbers are closed with respect to addition and respect to addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. It turns out the irrational numbers also satisfy the commutative, associative and distributive laws for addition and multiplication. However, the sum of difference quotients and product of irrational numbers are not always irrational. For example, root 6 plus of minus root 6. See, root 6 plus of minus root 6. Root 6 minus root 6 which is equal to 0. 0 by 1 is a rational number. It is not an irrational. Okay, that's why differences of sum, difference quotients and products of rational irrational numbers are not always irrational. Okay, and one more example, root 2 minus root 2. Here also we will get rational number only. And for example, root 3 into root 3. See here, root 3 into root 3, root will get cancelled, therefore remaining is 3. 3 is an rational number. And one more example, root 17 divided by root 17, we will get 1. That is also a rational number. Okay, let us look what happens when we add, multiply a rational number with an irrational number. For example, this is when we multiply a rational number with an irrational number. See, for example, root 3 is irrational because we will get in decimal point. Okay, root 3 is irrational. Then what about 2 plus root 3? Then what about 2 plus root 3 and 2 root 3 and 2 root 3? Since root 3 has a non-terminating, non-recurring decimal expansion, the same is true for 2 plus root 3 and 2 root 3. Therefore, both are also irrational numbers. Therefore, both are also irrational numbers. Okay, dear students, now let us discuss about some examples. Dear students, now we have to discuss about illustrative examples. Okay, example 1, check whether 7 root 5, 7 by root 5, root 2 plus 21, pi minus 2 are irrational numbers or not. Okay, see, here they have given 7 root 5. First one is 7 root 5, which is equal to 7 into, what is the value of root 5? Root 5, you know how to find the square root. This is 5. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 5 minus 4 is 1. Okay, and double the quotient, 2 plus 2 which is equal to 4. Okay, 4 point, take here double 0. Okay, next here take one digit and multiply to the same digit. Okay, see here, for example, 42 2s are 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 84. Correct. See, 100 minus 84 which is equal to 12. Sorry, which is equal to 16. Okay, same process for point, again we have to take here 0 0. Okay, and double the quotient. 42 plus 2 which is equal to 44. Again 443. 3s are 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are 12 plus 1 13. We will get 1 3 c 1 3 2 9. 10 minus 9 is 1 and 10 minus 3 is 7 and 6 minus 4 is 2. 271 go on. Okay, therefore it will be continuous same. Okay, and therefore 7 is multiplied by 2.23, 2.236 and so on. Okay, see, if you multiply, what will you get the answer? 7 6 are 42, 7 6 are 42, 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 4 25, 2 carry 5, 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 2 16, 1 carry 6, 7 2s are 14 plus 1 15, we will get the year 15.652. Okay, same like this is also we will get the answer. See here, second question is 7 by root 5 is equal to 7 divided by root 5 value is 2.236. 2.236 is it? If we did this one division, if you remove the decimal point and take here 3 zeros and divide it. Okay, see, or for this what we have to do here, 7 by root 5 is here, rationalizing the denominator is nothing but multiply and rationalizing the denominator, that is 7 by root 5 into rationalizing the denominator root 5 divided by root 5 multiply and divide by root 5. Okay, is equal to 7 root 5, 7 root 5 divided by root 5 whole square is equal to 7 root 5 divided by square root will get cancelled, remaining is 5, and which is equal to we will get the answer 3.1304 and so on. See, same in this case also we will get the non-terminating or non-recurring, even we know the value of pi also. Is it the C third one, root 2 plus 21. See, so root 2 also we have to do the square root like this. Okay, therefore we will get here root 2 value is 1.4142 and so on. Okay, here we will get same like this, which is equal to plus 21. If we add, we will get the answer this one we will get, if we add 21 or 22.4142, if we add these two, we will get 22.4142. Is it here also non-terminating or non-recurring decimals? Is it? And even fourth one, what has given? Pi minus 2. What is the value of pi? Pi minus 2, we know the value of pi. Indian value is 22 by 7. Therefore 22 by 7, which is equal to, we will get 3.142 like this. Is it? 3.1415 and so on, minus 2. Is it? Minus 2, which is equal to, we will get the answer for this also 3.1304 and so on. Dear students, all these non-terminating, non-recurring decimals, so all these are irrational numbers. Let us see what generally happens if we add, subtract, multiply and divide. It takes square roots and even nth roots of these irrational numbers. Nth roots of these irrational numbers, where n is any natural number. Okay, let us some examples. Okay, second example. Dear students, second example we have add, which is nothing but we have to put here plus sign. Okay, see, 2 root 2 plus 5 root 3 and root 2 minus 3 root 3 as given question here, and take term. Okay, add means which is nothing but plus sign. Okay, 2 root 2 plus 5 root 3 in and place we have to put here plus a sign. Okay, root 2 minus 3 root 3. Dear students, if a plus sign is there, you can write direct. If is there minus sign, you have to put common bracket because the sign will get changed. Okay, and see here it can be raised here 2 root 2 plus 1 root 2. See 2 root 2 plus 1 root 2 which is equal to 3 root 2. Okay, 3 root 2 and plus 5 root 3 minus 3 root 3. 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 which is equal to 2 root 3. See here, this is an answer. Add and subtract. Okay. Dear students, now we have to discuss about third example we have. Multiply 6 root 5 by 2 root 5. See, multiply which is nothing but a into sign. Okay. See, 6 root 5 into 2 root 5. Multiply is nothing but into. Okay, see here 6 2 ja how much? 6 2 ja 12. Root 5 into root 5, root 5 whole square. Square root will get cancelled. Okay, remaining is 12 into 5. Okay, 12 5 ja how much? 60. This is the answer. Okay. Dear students, fourth example we have divide 8 root 15 by 2 root 3. Divide means sign is okay. Divide, that is 8 root 15 divided by 2 root 3. 8 root 15, how it can you write? Root 5 into root 3. See here, 5 3s are 15. Okay, if order is same, you can multiply the 5 and 3. 8 root 8 into 5 divided by 2 root 3. See here, root 3 will get cancelled. 2 1s are 2 4s are. Okay, is equal to remaining is 4 into root 5. That is 4 root 5 is the answer. Dear students, those examples may lead you to expect the following facts which are true. Dear students, fifth example we have simplify the following expressions. They have given here expressions. Okay, see 5 plus root 7 into bracket 2 plus root 5. Okay, 5 into bracket 2 plus root 5. 5 into bracket 2 plus root 5 plus root 7 into bracket 2 plus root 5. Root 7 into bracket 2 plus root 5. It can be write as, see here, 5 2s are 10 plus 5 root 5. 5 root 5 plus root 7 into 2 root 7 plus into plus root 7 into root 5. See, order same is there, so you can multiply by 7 and 5. Square root of 7 5s are 35. Okay, and look at this. Here 10 has given, here 2 plus root 7, and here 5 root 5. Here what has given? Root 35. Therefore, this is the answer. 10 plus 5 root 5 plus 2 root 7 plus root 5 is the answer. Dear students, in this second question, root 11 minus root 7 into bracket root 11 plus root 7 is nothing but we know the formula. Is it a plus b into a minus b? Is it a plus b into a minus b? We know the conditional identity is nothing but a square minus b square. Okay, here is it. This is a b. Okay, square root of 11 whole square minus root 7 whole square. Okay, square root will get cancelled. Remaining is 11 minus 7. Therefore 11 minus 7 which is equal to 4 is the result. Dear students, sixth example we have rationalize the denominator of 1 by root 2. Okay, solution. given 1 by root 2. See, we want to write 1 by root 2 as an equivalent expression in which the denominator is a rational number. Is it? We know that root 2 into root 2 which is a rational number. Is it? Okay. We also know that multiply and divide by root 2. Okay. That is 1 by root 2 is equal to 1 by root 2 into root 2 divided by root 2. What we done here? Multiply and divide by root 2. See, multiply and divide by root 2. Is it? So, this is root 2 into 1. Root 2 divided by root 2 into root 2 whole square. See here, square and root 2 will get cancelled, which is equal to root 2 by 2 is the answer. Okay. Dear students, 7th example we have rationalize the denominator of 1 divided by 2 plus root 3. Is it? Okay. Given 1 divided by 2 plus root 3, but we know that the rationalizing factor of 2 plus root 3 is 2 minus root 3. Is it right? The rationalizing factor of 2 plus root 3 is 2 minus root 3. Is it? Now multiply and divide by 2 minus root 3. Okay, rationalizing the denominator. Therefore 1 by 2 plus root 3 is equal to 1 divided by 2 plus root 3 into rationalizing denominator 2 minus root 3 divided by 2 minus root 3. 2 minus root 3 divided by 2 minus root 3. What we done here? Multiply and divide by 2 minus root 3. Okay. Now let us see which is equal to 1 into 2 minus root 3 means 2 minus root 3 divided by, see, which is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. We know the formula. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So, this is a, this is b, this is a, this is b. A square means 2 square minus root 3 whole square. Is it? Square root will get cancelled. Okay. Is equal to 2 minus root 3 divided by, okay, 2 square which is equal to 4. Is it? 2 square is equal to 2 into 2, that is 4. 4 minus 3 is equal to 2 minus root 3 divided by 4 minus 3 is 1. This is the answer. Dear students, now we have to discuss about 8th example. Rationalize the denominator of 5 divided by root 3 minus root 5. Is it? See here, given, what is given? 5 divided by root 3 minus root 5. Okay, see here, we know that the rationalizing factor of root 3 minus root 5 is root 3 plus root 5. Okay, if a minus sign is there, okay, write into plus sign. If plus sign is there, write into minus sign. Okay, root 3 minus root 5 is root 3 plus root 5. Okay, now multiply and divide by root 3 plus root 5. Okay, 5 divided by root 3 minus root 5 is equal to 5 divided by root 3 minus root 5 into rationalize, multiply and divide by root 3 plus root 5. Okay, root 3 plus root 5 divided by root 3 plus root 5. Okay, let us see now. Is equal to 5 into root 3 plus root 5. 5 into bracket root 3 plus root 5 as it is. Okay, divided by, and denominators which is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Is it? A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Is nothing but this is a and this is b. This is a and this is b. Okay, a plus b into a minus b. Root 3 whole square minus root 5 whole square. Square root will get cancelled. Square root will get cancelled. Got it? Is equal to 5 into root 3 plus 5 into root 3 plus 5 into root 5 divided by 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5. Okay, 3 minus 5. Dear students, this one write same. Okay, this one only write 5 into root 3 plus root 5. Okay, is equal to 5 into bracket root 3 plus root 5 divided by 3 minus 5 is equal to 5 into bracket root 3 plus root 5 divided by 3 minus 5, which is nothing but minus 2. Correct? Therefore, see, denominator always it must be plus sign or positive. Got it? Because q is not equal to 0 and denominator plus never minus sign. Okay, is equal to minus 5 by 2 into bracket root 3 plus root 5. This is the answer. Okay.